There's another one. I don't know what it is.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Columbia County, south central Wisconsin, west central Dodge County, and southeastern Wisconsin until 3:30 p.m. At 2:43 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Fall River to near Lodi, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard: quarter-size hail. Reports of hail quickly accumulating and making roads icy. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Columbus, Juneau, Lodi, Fall River, Arlington, Otsego, Lowell, Danville, and Leipzig. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued
This one activated literally right as I touched the weather
southwestern
button.
Fond du Lac County and east central Wisconsin, northwestern Dodge County, and southeastern Wisconsin.